Hi guys, so today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I will be reviewing the Inspiroi battery-free pen tablet from Huion. I'm sure if I'm pronouncing that in a Chinese way it will sound like Huion or Huion. But since I'm Nigerian and I speak English, I will say Huion because I don't know the exact pronunciation. This product can be purchased from any vendor who sells photography items or from online vendors through platforms like Konga or Jumia or Gigi if you'd like that. I would also say this product is actually very affordable. It's cheaper than the actual Wacom tablets. If you want to compare in price, it is cheaper. So the first thing you'll see when you open up your box is the warranty card that comes with the item. Next up, we have the tablet itself, which you're going to be connecting to your computer. There's also a manual inside the box with different languages, so depending on which language you speak and what language you understand, the manual is very useful to you. And this is the stylus pen which you're going to be using on the tablet. Here we have the USB cord to be connected from the tablet to your computer, and then sorry, I'm struggling to bring this out. That's the pen holder. Another manual to help you understand the work areas of the tablets. If you connect it to your phone or you connect it to your laptop. There's also two extra USB cable cords. So now we're going to look at the tablet itself. The tablet comes with a space to connect the USB cable to your computer, and then it's flat, it's very small, so you can move it around easily. So you can see it's very portable. It also comes with buttons on the tablet, stand for shortcut keys. If you're using Photoshop or if you're using any other graphic application, you can use these keys for shortcuts. You can set them to exactly what you want the shortcut to be. So that's the USB cable that I'll be using to connect it to my computer. Once the tablet is connected to your computer, the next thing you have to do is to download the application that's going to help you run the tablets on your computer. So log into huion.com/download and download the exact application that will work perfectly with your device. So what you do once you get into the site, enter the exact application or the exact product that you've purchased and then download it into your computer. So once that is done, you can easily just install and run it on your computer, and then your device is ready for use.